While more and more pharma companies are busy coming up with new vaccines, trials begin for a magical COVID-19 nasal spray that could stop infection for days. According to reports, the first clinical trials of the spray have begun in the UK on January 11. The nasal spray is proven to kill 99.9% of the coronavirus that causes COVID-19. The trials of the nasal spray are being conducted at the Ashford and St. Peter's Hospitals NHS Foundation Trust in Surrey. The nasal spray is called sanitized nitric oxide nasal spray. The spray kills the virus in the upper airways, preventing it from reaching the lungs and causing infection. The treatment, developed by Sanitize Research and Development Corporation based in Vancouver, Canada, proved 99.9% effective in killing the coronavirus in independent lab tests at Utah State University's Antiviral Research Institute. Recently, a new coronavirus vaccine has been shown to be 89.3% effective in large-scale UK trials. The Novavax jab is the first to show in trials that it is effective against the new virus variant found in the UK. The UK has secured 60 million doses of the jab, which will be made in Stockton-on-Tees in northeast England. The doses are expected to be delivered in the second half of this year, if approved for use by the Medicines and Healthcare Products Regulatory Agency. The Novavax jab, which is given in 2 doses, was shown to be 89.3% effective at preventing COVID-19 in its participants in its phase 3 clinical trial in the UK and around 86% effective at protecting against the new UK variant. The UK has so far approved 3 coronavirus vaccines for emergency use, one from Oxford University and AstraZeneca, another by Pfizer and BioNTech, and the third from drug firm Moderna. The Pfizer-BioNTech COVID-19 vaccine is a messenger RNA vaccine that has both synthetic or chemically produced components and enzymatically produced components from naturally occurring substances such as proteins. The vaccine does not contain any live virus. Its inactive ingredients include potassium chloride, monobasic potassium phosphate, sodium chloride, dibasic sodium phosphate, dihydrate and sucrose, as well as small amounts of other ingredients. Unlike a traditional vaccine that uses inactivated, dead or portions of actual virus to spur an immune response, mRNA delivers a message to your body cells via a lipid nanoparticle envelope that instructs the cells to generate the spike protein found on the surface of a coronavirus that initiates infection. While the push is on to get more of the COVID-19 vaccine, there is some hope on the horizon. Johnson & Johnson is getting closer to seeking emergency FDA approval for its vaccine, which could be a big boost to the supply. It even has some advantages over the other vaccines. Like the Pfizer and Moderna vaccines, the Johnson & Johnson shot delivers genetic instructions for human cells to create a specific protein of the coronavirus in order to train the immune system for the live virus. The Pfizer and Moderna uses single-stranded RNA molecules, while the Johnson & Johnson vaccine deploys double-stranded DNA that gets converted to RNA inside human cells in order to achieve the same goal. The DNA piggybacks a ride on a modified, non-replicating version of a common cold-causing adenovirus. This virus acts as a vehicle to deliver genetic cargo into the nucleus of human cells. A top Indian virologist recently made a statement that Bharat Biotech's Covaxin is like a buffet which produces a variety of antibodies in the human body, whereas the subunit vaccines are like a la carte, where the body produces antibody response for only 1 or 2 proteins. The vaccine is a wholly inactivated virus that is an entire dead virus, whereas other vaccines use some part of the virus. The platform of killed or inactivated viruses have higher chances of generating immune response even when the virus mutates. And then there are claims of miracle cures. We sure did see that coming. Venezuela's President Nicolas Maduro recently spoke about a miracle to save his citizens from COVID-19, promoting a secretive solution with no published scientific evidence he claims will conquer the new coronavirus. 10 drops under the tongue every 4 hours and the miracle is done, Nicholas said. According to him, it is a very powerful antiviral that neutralizes coronavirus. But his government has released no evidence. He even kept secret the name of the brilliant Venezuelan mind behind it, saying he needed to protect them. And here we are still wondering whose mind it is and the logic behind dropping the medicine under the tongue. In other news, cats and dogs may eventually need their own COVID-19 vaccines to prevent the coronavirus from evolving further and spilling back to humans. Coronavirus is known to infect a number of animals besides humans, including cats, dogs, tigers, and gorillas. However, at this time, scientists don't think animals play a significant role in spreading the virus to people, and reports of COVID-19 in pets are rare, according to the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention. Despite the decline in the number of cases in the recent past, there are many unanswered questions. When will this epidemic phase end? Will there be a second wave? Which is the vaccine that can be trusted? Remember, the enemy is down but not out. So wear that mask, sanitize your hands and stay safe.